Hi vintage bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making an easy fudge recipe.
Rich, sweet chocolate dotted with a generous helping of fluffy marshmallows. This is a rich, sweet treat that's popular with kids and adults alike. You can make this any time of year, but it's especially popular during the holidays.
Not only is this recipe completely luxurious with rich flavors, it's a breeze to make with only a few simple ingredients. You can even get the kids involved with this one.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make chocolate marshmallow fudge.
The first thing we need for this recipe is, of course, some chocolate. I'm using one 350-gram package of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm going to melt these on the stove top on medium-low heat, along with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Stir this together until you have a smooth and silky, thick chocolate mixture. Once the chocolate is melted, you can remove it from the heat. Now I can stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and finally stir in 1 1/4 cups of powdered sugar. Stir until the powdered sugar is absorbed into the fudge. At this point, the chocolate will have cooled slightly and will have started to thicken. So I'm ready to stir in about 1 cup of mini marshmallows. The chocolate mixture should be the perfect temperature now that you can still stir and coat the marshmallows, but not so hot that the marshmallows will start to melt into the chocolate. If you're not a fan of marshmallows or want to try something different, feel free to customize this recipe to your taste. Some other great mix-ins for this fudge are chopped nuts, small candies like M&Ms, toffee bits, crushed candy canes, dried fruit, chopped cookies like Oreos, and chopped pretzels. Or you could do a mixture of ingredients like chopped nuts and marshmallows for a rocky road fudge. Basically, the sky's the limit when it comes to delicious mix-ins for your own fudge recipe. Once everything is mixed in, I'm going to spread the mixture into a lined square dish and allow the fudge to chill and set in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Now that it's set, I'm going to cut this decadent chocolate fudge into bite-sized squares. And the fudge is ready to serve right away. You can store your fudge in the fridge or freezer in an airtight container. Make sure to pull it out and let it come to room temperature before serving. This fudge is the perfect festive treat to bring to any holiday party, or a great addition to any Christmas cookie tin as a gift to family and friends. Enjoy! Happy holidays! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.